Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So we have got a new update for Nothing Phone 2a and Nothing Phone 2. Basically it's a Jan update and it's always nice to see that Nothing have been rolling out updates so fast. It's 20th Jan and we have already got the Jan update of NothingOS 3.0. So here you can see towards the left hand side we have Nothing Phone 2a and towards the right hand side Nothing Phone 2. Basically it's not a huge update. There are some minor changes what they have done. Let me show you the software information on both the devices. This device I have still not updated, which is Nothing Phone 2a. For Nothing Phone 2a the update size was 263 MB and on Nothing Phone 2 the update size was slightly smaller, which was 179 MB. But if you see the changelogs, both of them have the similar changelogs. That's the reason I haven't updated the device to check what's exactly changed. But guys, before moving ahead, if you guys find our content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. So here let me show you the software information on Nothing Phone 2, which we have already updated. You can see NothingOS 3.0. If I tap here, the version is 17.23. Going to Android version is 15, which comes with 1st Jan 2025 security patch. The previous build of NothingOS 3.0 was having 1st December 2024 security patch. Almost every smartphone have got the stable build of NothingOS 3.0, including the CMF Phone 1. We are yet to deliver the in-depth review video, but very soon I'll drop an in-depth review. Now let's take a look at the changes and we'll see what's exactly changed here. So if you see the first change, it says you can now long press on the torch tile in quick setting to activate the Glyph torch. So this device we haven't updated yet. So if I long press on torch tile, you can see nothing happens, not even torch getting triggered. But with a single tap, you can trigger the torch. But after this update, this thing have been changed. And as far as I remember, this thing was already there on NothingOS 2.6. I guess it was not added on NothingOS 3.0, but now it's been added. So if I long press on the torch tile, you can see the Glyph light starts glowing, which is not the case here on Nothing Phone 2a. So here with a single tap, you can turn on the torch. And if you long press on it, you can see Glyph light in action. So with the single tap, you can have access to normal torch. And by long pressing, you can also have access to the Glyph light. So this is one change what they have done. And after that, talking about the other changes, what Nothing have mentioned, which says optimize network selection to improve connection stability. I personally never had any kind of issues. I personally use Airtel SIM card as my primary phone, and I have used these phones as my primary devices after NothingOS 3.0 was released to take the battery backup. But related to network, I never faced any kind of issues. Then they say they have enhanced the response speed for pulling down quick settings in the landscape mode. So I'll just open up here YouTube, and now if I pull down the quick setting tiles, it looks slightly faster compared to previous one. Let's compare it on Nothing Phone 2a. So here you can see at the same time I'll try to pull the notification, and here there was slight bounce, which is also there on this latest build, but I feel now animations are slightly faster compared to previous build. You guys can take a look at this in the slow motion. With the naked eyes, I'm currently not able to see much of difference, but you guys might see that in the slow motion. In the portrait mode, or you can say normal mode, I don't see any kind of difference while pulling down the control center. Then they have done some bug fixes in which they have included fix abnormal Glyph light effect in specific scenarios. And guys, tell me one thing. Recently, Carl had tweeted regarding the alert slider present on OnePlus smartphones, wherein users were making a request to add alert slider on Nothing phones, but he tweeted that it's not that useful. So I just wanted to ask you guys, how many of you guys still use Glyph light? I only use the Glyph light when I initially bought Nothing phones. After that, I haven't used the Glyph light. Most of the time, I do keep them off. But let me know in the comment, guys. We'll get an idea whether alert slider is more useful or the Glyph lights present on Nothing phones. Make sure to drop a comment so that we get to know. Then they have fixed some issues related to earbuds and resolve stability for more reliable experience. About the stability and other stuff, we'll get to know once we start using the device as a primary phone. So guys, there's nothing much to talk about this Jan update for Nothing phones. But if you guys have any kind of specific questions, do let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.